The equal symbol indicates that the expressions on either side of the equal sign represent the same number. An equation is a number sentence with the verb equal. The words is the same as, equal, is, are, was, and were often translate to equals in an algebraic equation. And let's practice here translating equations without solving. This first example states what number plus 14 is 20. So similar to translating algebraic expressions, we're going to do the same with the exception of we have the verb is, which is going to translate into equals. Here we have an algebraic expression. We don't know what the number is. We can pick a variable for that. Plus is a term indicating addition, 14, is, we already translated, 20. So here is an equation that represents that sentence that we were given. In this next example, Bill is 3 inches taller than Steve. If Steve is 72 inches tall, what is Bill's height? Well, we don't know Bill's height. We don't know Steve's height. Those are our unknowns. So we will let B stand for Bill's height. S stand for Steve's height. And then translate this sentence here into an algebraic equation. Bill, which we're going to let B stand for, is replaced with equals 3 inches taller than Steve. So Steve, we don't know his height, but we designated S to stand for that. Taller is 3 inches taller than. That operation is addition, and it's saying that 3 inches taller than Steve. So we will add a 3 onto that. So the translation here of this sentence, Bill, B, is 3 inches taller than Steve. They do give us additional information that we could go on and then solve this equation. The point here, though, is for us to just simply practice translating a sentence into an equation.